Welcome to the Zyminex IPTV 2026 Complete Guide, your full walkthrough to setting up, using, and optimizing IPTV for the best experience possible. At its core, IPTV means Internet Protocol Television, TV and video delivered through your connection instead of traditional cable. Zyminex focuses on stability, usability, and clear setup guidance for both beginners and advanced users. Streaming made simple, stable, and smart. Zyminex is more than just a service. It's an educational platform designed to help you stream correctly. Great IPTV isn't just about what you watch, it's about how you use it. With the right setup, even an average connection can deliver a smooth, reliable experience. Zyminex supports a wide range of devices: smart TVs, streaming boxes, Fire TV sticks, computers, tablets, and phones. Each device offers unique strengths. TVs and boxes provide stability, while mobile and desktop apps offer flexibility. Use what fits your environment best. Now let's configure your player for smooth playback. Turn on hardware decode to process video through your GPU for cleaner motion. Enable frame rate matching to sync playback with your display's refresh rate. Set buffer size to 1-2 seconds for regular content or 0-1 second for live sports. Use stereo audio unless you have a 5.1 system, and keep subtitles clean. Medium white text with a thin outline for readability. Zyminex's live TV mode includes a full electronic program guide, or EPG, showing what's playing now, next, and later. Create favorites to organize your channels. If you notice short delays or skips, tweak buffer settings or check your network stability. Live TV works best when organized. Inside the Video on Demand library, organization is key. Use filters and categories to browse faster, or search directly by title. The Continue Watching row lets you pick up where you left off, and watch lists make it easy to save and revisit favorites. Smart organization saves time and frustration. For the best performance, always prioritize a stable connection. Use Ethernet if possible. It's faster and more reliable. If using Wi-Fi, pick a clean 5 GHz channel to avoid congestion. Adjust your DNS settings only if needed. Remember, stability matters more than speed tests. Most IPTV issues are fixable with proper setup. Before major live events or sports matches, restart your device, clear the cache, and test your connection. Small prep steps prevent big interruptions later. To fine-tune your visuals, set your TV's picture mode to movie or natural. Keep motion smoothing moderate and match HDR or SDR output to your display. For audio, stereo mode delivers the most consistent results unless you have a full surround setup. Small tweaks make big visual differences. And finally, stream responsibly. Always use licensed content and follow your provider's terms of service. Responsible use keeps IPTV safe, stable, and enjoyable for everyone. Here's a quick recap. Zyminex offers multi-device flexibility, stable playback, live TV and VOD organization, and smart setup guidance, all built around simplicity and performance. Set it up once and enjoy reliable, effortless IPTV all year long. Stream smarter with Zyminex. For more information, please visit zyminex.com. If this helped, tap like, share it, and subscribe for more IPTV insights at zyminex.com. Use only licensed content, follow local laws and provider terms of service.